Kinyamal, Bol, Webb. The piercing stare of Webb of England trying to hold on to the change of pace from Kenya and Australia. Guy Learmonth on the inside for Scotland in fourth.
Kinyamal's going for this. With 200 to go, he makes his bold bid for glory. Bol is hanging on. Remember, no Australians won this for 40 years. But he's falling back here. Can Kinyamal continue to pull away? It's between these two.
Kinyamal, Bol, look at Patterson for England. It's a battle for the gold. It's going to be won by the Kenyan. 1:47.52, a pat on the shoulder from Peter Bol of Australia, who picks up the silver medal. Brilliant running by England's Ben Patterson to pick up the bronze, but he collapses to the ground. The 25-year-old Kenyan came here to defend his title. Wycliffe Kinyamal of Kenya does pick up the 10th gold medal for Kenya in the men's 800 metres. What a race. Brilliant from the Kenyan.
He went early and he knew he had the high-quality Peter Bol, born in Sudan, now proudly representing Australia. The 800 final last year was the most watched moment from the Olympic Games from the Australian public. He's a massive star, Bol, and that was also a massive performance by the youngster Ben Patterson. He looked really good this season, had a great run in Stockholm. I thought he might feature, but Kinyamal was bold enough to go with about 2:20 left, and despite the fact that Bol went with him, he wound it up, and that is a brilliant way to take the title. No one has ever gone back-to-back victories. He is the first.
Do you know what? If you're going to go into the last 300 a metre down, you've got to know you're a metre quicker than the bloke in front of you, and he wasn't. He finished about a metre down. And Kinyamal, you're right, took the initiative. I think Bol tactically got it 95% right. He may be